What you see before you is the brand new OPPO X 2021, offering a thoroughly new roll motor powertrain, which makes it possible for the display to unroll and retract in a softer and smoother way. Two drive motors built into the handset generate a constant force output that is used to retract and extend the display. After numerous experiments and tests, OPPO's engineers settled on a 6.8mm diameter for the central axis, as the OLED display can flex, yet still return to its original form without a mark or crease. The display moves along this central axis, and the slider ensures it follows a smooth arc. OPPO developed the innovative 2-in-1 plate display support technology to support the screen and stop it from collapsing inward. When the display is retracted, the two support substrates come closer together to form a single surface. And when it is unrolled, one substrate slides out to support the display. The left and right substrates support unrolled display with zero segment gap, keeping it smooth. The increase in the overall thickness of the display affects the degree to which it can bend. To tackle this challenge, OPPO is using its proprietary Warp Track high-strength screen laminate, which is built using very high-strength steel as the main material. At its thinnest, the laminate is only 0.1mm thick. Together with the linear patterns etched on the surface, the Warp Track laminate greatly increases the resilience of the display, as it bends while providing sufficient support. Compared with foldable displays with fixed sizes, rollable displays open up more possibilities for productivity, entertainment, and daily use. This is the brand new OPPO X 2021 we designed for you.